Tucker, where's your nose? Good job. Where's your hair? Good job. Where's your eyes? That's your eye. That's your nose. That's your nose. Where's your ear? Good job. Where's your mouth? Do you know that one? Good job. Where's your toes? Good job. Knuckles. Knuckles. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Here, buddy.